Hi guys, so now I'm going to make the Sicilian Lemon Cake. So it is 240 grams again of double cream. And 4 eggs. So guys, 240 grams of cream, 4 eggs. I'm putting 2 of these in after the chocolate one. So 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then I'm adding 2 teaspoons of Sicilian lemon. Now again, this is to flavour, so if you guys feel that you need more in it, absolutely add some. But I am adding fresh lemons, so just be careful how much you're adding. And then you whisk that up for 2 minutes. Guys, so now I'm going to zest 2 lemons and pop them in now. So guys, I've zested the lemons and I've popped that in already. And now I'm adding in some lemon juice, which is going everywhere. I'm only going to add 1 at the moment and then to taste once we've added in the dry ingredients. So guys, again it's 260 grams of almond flour. So guys, that was 260 grams of almond flour and then 80 grams of erythritol. So guys, it wasn't quite lemony enough, so I've added 2 more teaspoons of the Sicilian lemon extract. And I'm just about to add 2 teaspoons of caramel Monin sugar-free stuff, just to make it a little bit sweet. This stuff is great, I use it in a lot of my baking. Sometimes I prefer to use this in the vanilla extract. Okay, so perfect. So this is going to be a cake. And again, this goes in the oven at 180, and I do it in 15-minute checks. So 15 minutes and then add 5 minutes if you feel that it needs longer and longer and longer, and then we'll show you what this looks like when it comes in. Hello you lot. So the lemon cake is done and looks like this. It looks absolutely delicious. So it is quite soft to touch, it's a little bit spongy. Sorry guys, the camera's moving on the tripod. There we go. It's a little bit spongy, so I'll leave it in its tray for about 10 minutes and then I'll move it on to a cooling rack.